Hugely excited to be returning home. It comes with a lot of expectation in terms of our rangatira Chris Quinta, who was here for 33 years, But I know the legacy that he leaves behind, it's my opportunity to add to the vision of Rotorua to be the best high school in Aotearoa. There is a big need to improve our wellness, Our wellness as whānau hapu iwi, but also for our staff and our students. So it's been a pleasure. We've had Te Whare Aiwo and the Whare with us over the past 2 days, just to look at wellness through a Māori lens. And so for me, that's a big driver, to be able to connect and understand, when our whare pito, whare pūmanawa, whare hinengaro are aligned, we're in a better space. So we've got to be at our best in terms of being there in front of our taitama.